how to fix your MacBook is not responding. So whether your MacBook screen is stuck, it's not responding, or it's just not working in general, then I'm going to show you two ways on how to fix this issue. So the first thing you can do is come over to your MacBook keyboard and you need to press down the following keys. So we're going to hold down the Option key, the Command key, and also press the Escape key on your keyboard all at the same time. Now you should see the Force Quit Applications window pop up. From here, you can go and select the app that's not working or not responding. You can then just click on the Force Quit button and go and select Force Quit. Now once you've done that, check to see if your MacBook is now working. If you're still having an issue, there is one final solution. So what you need to do is come over to the power button like so, and you need to hold this down for around about 45 seconds. So we're going to do this together now. Let's hold the power button down. Even when the screen goes black, continue to hold the power button down. After 45 seconds have passed, you can then go and release the power button. You can then press the power button a couple more seconds to turn it back on, and that should have fixed your unresponsive MacBook.